Kolkata, known as the City of Joy, is a vibrant metropolis rich in culture, history and artistic legacy, and is a proud host of this Platinum Jubilee Annual Congress of CSI. Welcome to the spectacular drone show at the 75th Cardiological Society of India Conference in Kolkata. As we celebrate this landmark event, we are thrilled to present an awe-inspiring display of cutting-edge technology, seamlessly blending with the art of storytelling in the sky. This mesmerizing show not only marks a significant milestone in our history, but also points towards a future where technology and healthcare continue to evolve in harmony. Let's pay our tribute to Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy and many others who were instrumental in the formation of our esteemed society. During 1949, the Journal of Cardiological Society of India, the Indian Heart Journal, came into existence. Kolkata, the City of Joy, is a vibrant metropolis rich in culture, history and artistic legacy. The city's heart is marked by the majestic Victoria Memorial, a stunning white marble edifice and museum surrounded by lush gardens. The iconic Howrah Bridge, an engineering marvel, stretches over the Hooghly River, symbolizing Kolkata's connectivity and industrious spirit. It's also very heartening to mention here that the magnificent Indian Heart House, which is the headquarter of Cardiological Society of India, is also located in Kolkata. We are indeed glad to mention here that Glenmark, a leading integrated research-based global pharmaceutical company, has launched the world's first hypertension awareness symbol. Once again, we welcome all of you to CSICON 2023.